Good afternoon, one and all present. Today I am going to discuss about instruction set 8085 microprocessor. That is a very brief idea about just knowledge of what type of instruction sets are used in 8085 microprocessor. In 8085 microprocessor, generally we use data transfer instruction, data manipulation instruction, program control instructions. Basically, these three types of instructions are used in 8085 microprocessor. First of all, our instruction set. Processor provide an extensive set of instructions to give the user the flexibility to carry out various computational tasks. The instruction set of different computers differ from each other mostly in the way the operand are determined from the address and mode fields. There is a set of basic operations that almost all include their instruction set. It is provide an extensive set of instructions to give user the flexibility to carry out various computational tasks. For various to do some computational tasks, we need some instruction set, and with the help of these instructions, we can do these computational tasks. First of all, what is data transfer instruction? First type of instructions that are used in 8085 are data transfer instruction. This group of instructions copy data from location called as source and to another location called as destination without modifying the contents of the source. In the true sense, these instructions are not data transfer instruction but data copy instruction because the source is not modified. What it is saying that in this group of instruction, data from location, which is called source, copies the data from another location that is called destination. The location from where we have to copy the data, that location is known as the source location, and another location where the data is to be copied or transferred, that is known as destination, and without modifying the contents of the source. Most important thing, the data content should not be modified. There are some types of data transfer instruction like load, store, move, exchange, input, output, push, and pop. And they have some mnemonics that are used in assembly language. For load, we use LD. For store, we use capital ST. For move, we use MOV. For exchange, we use XCH. Input, IN, output, OUT, push, PUSH, pop, POP. Next comes data manipulation instruction. As the name says, these instructions perform operations on data and provide the computational capabilities of the computer. There are basically three types of instructions that are used in data manipulation instruction. These are arithmetic instructions, logical and bit manipulation instruction, shift instructions. These three type of instructions, three are the basic instructions that are used in computer usually to manipulate the data. First of all, arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instruction, there are four basic arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Most computers provide instructions for all four operations. Some small computers have only addition. In such cases, subtraction may be performed using 2's complement, addition, and also multiplication and division operation can be implemented in software using addition and subtraction operations. We can there is a list of some arithmetic instructions, basic instructions. These are increment, decrement, add, subtract, multiply, divide, add with carry, and subtract with borrow. So these are some arithmetic instructions that are used. This is the basic idea. what are the arithmetic instruction and what are the different types of arithmetic instructions that are used. They also have some mnemonics, like increment has a mnemonic known as INC, decrement has mnemonic DEC, add has ADD, subtract SUB, multiply MUL, divide DIV, add with carry ADDC, and subtract with borrow SUB. So next come the logical and bit manipulation instructions. Logical instructions perform binary operations on string of bits stored in registers, and bit manipulation instructions set or resets individual bits within the given data word. These instructions consider each bit of the operand separately and treat it as a Boolean variable. There are some logical and bit manipulation instructions. These are clear, CLEAR, complement, and, or, exclusive or, clear carry, set carry, complement carry, enable interrupts, disable enters. Likewise, these have mnemonics also. For clear, we use CRL, complement, we use COM, and AND, or, and exclusive or, XOR, clear carry CLRC, set carry SETC, complement carry COMC, enable interrupts EI, and disable interrupts DI. Like clear instruction, if we take clear instruction, the clear instruction causes all the bits of the operand to be cleared. That is, all the bits of the specified operands are replaced by zeros. Then comes complement. The complement instructions causes the inversion of all the bits of the operand, that is, zeros are represented by ones and ones are represented by zeros. In short, the complement instructions produces ones complement of the operand. Likewise, AND instruction. This instruction carry out the logical AND operation on individual bits of the two operands. That is, if one of the two corresponding bits of the operand is 0, the corresponding bit in results is also 0, like in our AND operation. Then comes our OR operation, OR instruction. This instruction carry out the logical OR operation on individual bits of two operands. That is, if any one of the two corresponding bits of the operands is 1, the corresponding bit in the result is also 1. Likewise, exclusive all, clear selected bits, select, set carry, and all these. Then comes our shift instructions. Shift instructions move the content of a register to the left or right. There are 4 types of shift instruction: logical shift, arithmetic shift, rotate through carry. Each of these 4 types of shifts can be performed in both left and right direction. The corresponding instructions along with their symbolic name, or we can say mnemonics, are listed in the table. First of all, logical shift, arithmetic shift, rotate right, rotate left, rotate right with carry, rotate left with carry, and like this these also have some mnemonics: SHR, rotate shift left, SHL, arithmetic shift right, SHRA, arithmetic shift left, SHLA, rotate right, ROR, rotate left, ROL, rotate right with carry, ROC, rotate left with carry, ROLC. And this just, if we take one example, logical shift instruction, it is a logical shift micro operation. 0 is inserted at the end of bit position. The end bit position is the leftmost bit for the logical shift right, and the rightmost bit position for the logical shift left. The bit coming out of the other end is lost here. Then come arithmetic shift. Arithmetic shift operations deal with the signed binary numbers, with the leftmost bit representing the sign of the binary number. The arithmetic shift right instruction preserves the sign bit in the leftmost position. The sign bit is shifted to the right along with the rest of the number, but sign bit itself remains unchanged. If we say about rotate, the rotate instruction produces circular shift. Bits shifted out of the end of the word are not lost but as in logical shift, but are circulated back into the other end in the circular way. Then comes rotate through carry. The rotate through carry instructions treat a carry bit as an extension of the register whose word is being rotated. Thus, the rotated left through carry entire instruction transfers the carry bit into the rightmost bit position of the register, shifts the entire register to the left and put the leftmost bit coming out from the register carry bit. Then comes program control instruction. These instructions in a program are stored in successive memory location. Program counter PC register contains the address of the next instruction to be executed. At the beginning of the instruction cycle, the memory location pointed by PC is read to fetch the instruction. PC is then incremented to point to the next instruction in sequence, assuming that instruction in a data transfer or data manipulation instructions, the instruction is decoded and executed, and again the control returns back to the beginning of the instruction cycle. There are some control instructions like branch, jump, skip, call, return, compare, test. In branch, the mnemonic of branch instruction is BR, jump instruction JMP, skip instruction SKP, call instruction CALL, return RTN, compare CMP, test TST. Like this, today we have discussed only the different three types of set of instructions that are used in 8085, their name and their mnemonics. So these three types of instructions are used in instruction sets are used in 8085 microprocessor. This is the very basic idea regarding the instruction set of microprocessor 8085. Thank you and stay safe.